Hey, you. Yes, you. Does the sound of your keyboard keep you up all night? Oh. Well, do you spend your evenings wishing your family would take your newfound love of keyboards seriously? Oh, I know. Do you want to prove to YooMyr that your budget keyboard can sound better than his £200 drop alt? Well, then bring gloves and some lube. So, like in my last video, I'm going to remove most of the boring part and get to the ASMR quickly. Disassemble your keyboard. Place the keycaps roughly in the same position as the keyboard if you don't have a dedicated station like me. It'll make things so much easier when it comes to reassembly. Remove the switches and place them neatly on the side, just like me. Okay, I'm bored, so let's just agree you probably know how to lube switches and move on. It's ASMR time. Remember, the stabilizers have been modded already. The switches are also lubed for the stabilizer keys. The spacebar is the Holy Panda switch. I love the sound of it and I just decided to go ahead with it even though there's no sound in space.